Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to copy a set of Cloudflare WAF security rules across a large number of domains in Cloudflare. From my site, configberry.com, I'm going to navigate to the WAF sync tool. This is where I can copy the security rules from one source zone to a list of target zones. Let me show you the examples I'm going to use. This is the WAF page for the source zone in Cloudflare. You can see it has a few security rules in place. And this is the WAF page for one of the target zones where I want to copy the rules over. And you can see that it doesn't have any rules at the moment. Okay, let's go back to the WAF sync tool. I've already input the credentials for the source zone, but I'm hiding them for obvious reasons. If you're wondering where I get this information, I'll show you after I do the copying. Next up, I had to upload a CSV file that has the target zones where I want to apply the WAF rules to. The file must contain the following columns: zone ID, zone name, API email, and API key. If you want to fill up the CSV file manually, you can use this sample CSV file that you can download. But I already have a zone export tool that I've built, and I recommend using that instead. I'll talk about it in a bit. I've already uploaded the file in this case, so I'm going to now click the View Sync Plan button to verify what changes this tool will execute. Okay, now I can see the rules that are going to be applied and the zones where these rules will be applied to. I click Apply Rules to Zones. And then, in a bit, there you go, I can see the rules that have been applied. Let's go back to the Cloudflare page for one of the target zones. And we can see that the rules have now been applied. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to apply Cloudflare WAF security rules to a large number of domains. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get all the information you need for this tool. Let's start with the source zone. On the overview page, scroll down until you see the API section in the right sidebar. There you can find the zone ID that you can copy, and obviously I've hidden it. The API email will be the email that you use to log into Cloudflare. Now, the API key is something that you can find by going to Profile, API Tokens, and clicking the View Global API Key. So that's all for the source zone. For the target zones, I mentioned how you can use the zone export tool. Let's go to it. Here we can upload a list of Cloudflare account emails and API keys. I have a sample here that you can use to fill in with your details. I'm going to upload the sample CSV and get a preview. There's the preview. I'm not going to click download zones because the CSV only has mock data, as you can see. But when you do it with valid credentials, you'll download a list of all the zones for those accounts. And then you can go to the CSV and delete all the zones where you don't want to apply the rules. And then you can upload that new list in the target zones section of the WAF sync tool. So that is here. So that's it. Hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or feedback, use the contact form that you can find on the top right corner of the configberry.com site. Thank you very much.